What is up? I've been testing this automated trading setup for the last few weeks, and I want to walk you through what I've actually seen so far. This is automated crypto trading setup that uses Grok AI, and I want to go through the whole thing, what it's doing, how trading side works, and how you actually get it running. I've been testing crypto platforms and different trading tools for years, so when I come across something like this, I usually start with the same questions. What is it actually doing? Can I verify the activity? And is there anything here that I need to be careful about? There are already a ton of trading bots. The problem is a lot of them get complicated pretty quickly. You need to know how to code, install other software, keep a server running, and that's where most regular users are going to stop. Anyway, let's get into it. I'll show you what's here first, and then we'll set it up and see how it works. So first we need to get into the account. If you already have one, just sign in. If not, you can create a new account here. I'm going to use my existing one. Okay, we're in. So this is the main screen. You've basically got everything in one place here. System activity, trading stats, reports, and the other data we're gonna need. Right here is the live panel, and this is showing the current session. You can see when it started, how long it's been running, how many trades have been made, and current win rate. From what I can see, this session resets every hour, so these numbers are tied to the current one. So here are the three plans this agent offers. Each one has its own set of features listed underneath. I've been testing it for a few weeks now, and at the moment I'm using the first plan just to keep it simple. Okay, let's check wallet section. Here we can see my balance activity and full transaction history, deposits, withdrawals, session payouts, and the other changes connected to the account. And if you've just created an account and want to get the system running, let me show you that part. So I'm going to go back here. This is where we choose the plan. I select the one I want and tap Get Started. Okay, now we need to choose the token. Once that's selected, it gives us the address for the transaction. I'm just gonna copy that address. Okay, transaction has gone through. I can see my balance is updated now, and the bot is showing a higher rate for each completed trading session. So let me show the withdrawal part next. I open this tab, and right away we can see the amount that's currently available to withdraw. This is the result accumulated over the last few days. So here I choose the token and network and enter my destination address. Give me a second. Okay, then I double check all info and then tap withdraw. Okay, so now we just wait a few seconds while the protocol processes the transaction, and once that's confirmed, my balance here should update automatically. So while that's processing, let me explain how I understand this setup and why I decided to spend some time testing it. The main thing that caught my attention is how much of the process is automated. The trading logic uses Grok AI, which is a capable model for analyzing information and working with complex data. And you don't have to turn this into some huge technical project just to get started. I'm not sitting here going through hundreds of pages of documentation, installing random third-party tools, or writing code just to make the system run. Most of that complexity is handled in the background. I've been running my test for a few weeks now, and so far the system has been operating consistently for me. Trading sessions are tracked automatically, the results are visible in the dashboard, and I can check what's happening without constantly monitoring the market myself. So yeah, that's really what I'm looking for with a setup like this. Something I can actually test and monitor without having to become a full-time developer just to use it. Anyway, that's pretty much my experience with the platform so far. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I'll keep testing it and sharing updates as I get more results, so you can see how it performs over a longer period. And if you want to check the platform out for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment.